Hello, I'm Alan Cumming. I am a Scottish actor and activist, and today I'm asking you to help support Masks for Scotland. This is a dedicated fundraiser to bring PPE to those working on the front line in NHS Scotland during this incredibly tough time. Now, you'll probably have heard quite a lot about PPE recently. It stands for personal protective equipment, such as masks and gloves and gowns. There just isn't enough in Scotland for the medical staff coming into contact with COVID-19 patients. Quite rightly, the limited amount that there is prioritised for the staff working in ICU, but this leaves many community staff such as GPs, community nurses, ambulance staff and those in care and social work jobs less well protected, even though they are the ones coming into our homes to assist us if we are too unwell to get to the hospital. This lack of PPE puts medical staff at risk. 23% of ICU patients in Italy were medical staff who contracted COVID-19 doing their job protecting people. And we already are seeing the deaths of doctors and nurses in the UK. This can be avoided. We need every member of the medical professions to stay fit and healthy, to keep you fit and healthy. Please help us protect them. We have a reputable source of gowns and masks which offers the highest level of protection that these staff deserve, and importantly, meet the standards required for NHS equipment. The government is also increasing the supply of PPE, and this is not in competition with the government, but it's to support their effort and help to increase the amount of PPE coming into the front line in Scotland. We really need your help to buy PPE equipment for our medical teams. Your donation will save lives, not just those of the medical staff, but of the families and the patients they treat. Thank you from me and Joanna and from NHS Scotland.
Hi, I'm Joanna Vanderham and I'm a Scottish actor, and I'm asking you to support Masks for Scotland. This is a dedicated fundraiser to bring the right personal protective equipment to those working on the front line of NHS Scotland. We've recently learned in the news that frontline medics are being bullied and shamed into working with COVID-19 patients despite not having the correct protection. Others are being told to hold their breath to avoid contracting the virus. This is not good enough. We've already seen the deaths of 3 doctors, 2 nurses and 1 midwife here in the UK. This is an urgent appeal. The peak of coronavirus is expected to hit Scotland over the next 2 weeks. Meanwhile, we have NHS frontline workers treating patients who are asymptomatic but highly contagious. Your donation will protect not only the doctors and their families, but the patients and their families. A £15 donation will buy a pack, so a mask, visor and a gown. There is no donation too small, and 100% of donations will go to getting the right PPE to those who need it in Scotland. So thank you to Crowdfunder for waiving their fees to allow that to be possible. Thank you for your donation from me and from Alan and from NHS Scotland.